Alright, hello and welcome back to Nostal Media channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Okay, so Nostal Media video, channel is basically a channel dedicated to making videos to help you get the best of all of our software solutions, including dorthpro and all of software products. And also for those that want to dive into software development, inventory management systems, yeah, it's a guide will help you on a roadmap to follow. So today we shall be looking at installing the Xprinter. For those of us that are subscribed to the dorthpro SaaS, so you want to know how to install printer. So I'll be using the Xprinter driver today as a case study. It's the most popular and it works. So your thermal printer, to connect it. So this is the driver. You can look for this Xprinter driver. So open it. Once you open it, click on Xprinter driver setup 7.77. And once you double click on it, shows you this. Just click on yes. So you install the driver, accept the agreement, click on next, create a desktop shortcut, fine. So you click on install. So the essence of creating a desktop shortcut, so perhaps you want to install a printer again, you can do that. So once you're done, you finish, it will launch this, right? So mine is not showing well, but basically what it's supposed to show is you select the interface USB, then the printer series. For this printer series, please, you look for XP80C. You see a series that's called XP80C. XP80C means it will cut whenever it prints out, it will cut. But if you click on normal XP80, it will print out, but it will not cut. So once you are done, you can click on check set as default printer, then check USB port. Once you click on check USB port, if there is a printer, mine is not connected. The printer connected, it will print out the receipt to show you that yes, there's a USB port connected. So when you're done, you click on install now. Once you install, it will ask you, are you sure, do you want to print a test page? Then you just click on yes, and then it will print out a test page. That is how you print. So once you are done printing, you can open your browser. For example, if you are using Mozilla, most likely I always advise Mozilla. You open your browser, you can print a receipt, you can reprint a receipt, or you can just press Ctrl and P to open a print page. And if you don't want to do that, just click go reprint a receipt, click on print on the software. Then you will select the printer that you have installed. You always select the most recent. If you've installed it before, select the recent one. The recent one will be based on numbers. So I have installed XP80 before, and now the last one I installed is XP80C copy 1. So I have to select copy 1. So if you install again, it will be copy 2, copy 3, and they are just like that. So once you install, if you select the destination, click on the one you installed, then go down. Once you go down, you see where we have paper size. Click on it, and you can select this by 297 or by 210. I like using by 210. Okay, and go down, remove the margins by clicking on margins, click on default and click on none, select none. So you can see it's adjusting on the left. Remove the headers and footers. Once you are done, then you can click on print. It will print out that receipt. If you press Ctrl P as well, it will still take you to this page. Set it up and you do what I just asked you to do. And that's how you set up your printer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or any comment, you can put it on the comment section below. So we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Thank you